Kanecha kapise mag sirikal machwalo dongruok e keuma Busia, Malaba, jo-ohala e kar dak makono okwayo tend Afrika ma ugwe mantiere boma ma Arusha, Tanzania mondo los chike moko matayo ohala e kind pinjego mar golo chike ma ok otenore gi chenro mag ohala. Kane giloso e romo mane okelo kanyakla jo-ohala ma Busia kod jood bura mar riwruok mar ywago ne giywago yulo e chenro mag gedo e boma ma Busia, kata obedo ni nonro mar tayo gedo ma kamano nochaki higni 5 mokalo.
We have taken note of the delays that exist at the border points. They are not delays out of malice or whatsoever. It's because of the infrastructure in place. 2, the processes that are involved that are not yet very much automated. 3, there are also different layers of regulatory frameworks. So I think we need a harmonization of these frameworks so that it is easier for our traders to clear their goods when they are crossing the borders.
The exercise has been imekuwa ya maana sana kwetu. Number one, we are able to move goods across the border without so much hindrance. The speed of clearance has improved. The security has improved. The trading community is now structured. We are able to pay fees in a better way. We are able to do our businesses profitably. There is no fear of confiscation of goods. The business has been smooth. It has been good, courtesy of the one-stop border post and its operations.
There is a need for expansion of our border, because even today I met a challenge with the disabled people. Those people are using these handskirts to the customs yard, because the route we are using to cross the border is very narrow for human being and those who are using food. So we're supposed to have those people, and we are advocating for implementers, any implementers who can come and assist us for expansion.